Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are super fine and you all enjoyed your summer vacations. So, first of all, welcome all of you to your class after summer break. And I really hope you all have done your holidays homework. Have you all done? Karmita, Viraj, Vedansh, Prisha, Amira, Pritash, have you all done? Very good. So, Yuvan, are you ready for the class? Yashvi, are you all ready for the class today? Let's start with today's class. First of all, please open your Child-Centric Perfection Toolkit 1 of 2. I hope you all are in a mood to study. You are in a mood? Study करना है ना? You have to learn new concepts now. You are grown-ups. So, this is your English book and let us start with this. Please turn the page. Turn the page. Before summer break, we did our letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Today we are going to learn a new letter. Okay, so please come to page number 13. Please come to page number 13. Very good. So, which letter is this? This is letter I. This is letter I. Which letter is it? This is letter I. Very good. Now, let me open the phonic sound for it. Please listen to the sound of this letter.
I. It's a teacher. It's a teacher. It's a sound of I.
So E is the sound of I. E is the sound of I. Listen to it once more.
I. It's a teacher. It's a teacher. It's a sound of I.
So which letter is this? This is letter I. This is letter I. First of all, parents, I request you to please circle the day for today. Then put the date, month and year. Then later on put a circle on the weather for the day, whether it's cloudy, it's rainy or it's sunny. Already it's too heat outside. So which letter is this? I. And what is the phonic sound of letter I? E. E. Insect. E. Insect. What is this? This is an insect. This is an insect. I-E. Insect. Ink pot. India, our country where we live. Ink. E is the sound of I. Now let me show you some images related to it. So today is our session number 33. Okay, let's learn letter I. Phonic sound of letter I. E. E. Ink pot. This is ink pot. The pot which contains ink is called ink pot. एक pot है, इसमें क्या है? Ink है. What is there in the ink pot? Ink. Okay. What's next? India. This is our country. Where we live? We live in India. Okay. Ink. So this is ink. This liquid is ink. What was this? This is ink pot. जिसमें ink होती है उसे क्या कहते हैं हम? Ink pot. And what is this? This is ink. What is this? This is ink. Okay. What's next? What is this? This is iguana. Okay. What's next? Insect. insect. Okay, so these are the objects related to letter I. These are the objects related to letter I. E, insect. E, insect. What is the phonic sound of letter I? It's E. E, insect. What is the kinesthetic activity? Have the children pretend to H. You have to H and say insect. E, insect. E, insect. E, insect. Okay. What is this? This is insect. Done? You can see a lot of insects around you in the evening or around your house. Okay, so this is E, insect. Moving on to next, open your rhymes book. Which book? Rhymes book. This is your child-centric rhymes in action songs, Joyful Bee. So now today we are going to learn a new rhyme. You want to listen new rhyme? Elara, you want to listen? Very good. So now let's open the book. We were done with 7 rhymes before summer break, and I'm so glad that while I was taking your oral assessments, you all performed so well. So today's rhyme is we are going to the zoo. We are going to the zoo. आप कभी zoo गए हो? Have you seen a lot of animals at a single place? Okay, आप मम्मा पापा से zoo गए थे. Very good. So let's listen to the rhyme. Let me play the rhyme for you. So this is our rhyme. Listen to it.
That's taking us to the zoo tomorrow. Zoo tomorrow. Zoo tomorrow. That's taking us to the zoo tomorrow. We can stay all day. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. How about you? You can come to zoo, zoo. We are going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. See the monkeys swing, swing, scratching, swing, swing, scratching, swing, swing, scratching. See the monkeys swing, swing, scratching. We can stay all day. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. How about you? You can come to zoo, zoo. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. See the lions roaring, roaring, roaring. See the lions roaring. We can stay all day. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. How about you? You can come to zoo. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. See the snakes hiss, 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 hiss. See the snakes hiss, 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 hiss. We can stay all day. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. How about you? You can come to zoo. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. See the ducks swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. See the ducks swimming in the water. We can stay all day. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. How about you? You can come to zoo. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo.
So this was the wonderful rhyme. We are going to the zoo. Okay, so you all have to listen this rhyme. This is a bit tough to learn, but still try to learn a few of stanzas from this rhyme. Okay? So this is our rhyme. We are going to the zoo. Now let's move on to our next subject. What's that? Now we are going to learn maths. Okay? We are going to now please open your child-centric mathematics perfection toolkit 1 of 2. Okay? We are going to do maths now. Are you all ready? You all are ready? Very good. That's really great. So please open your book. Let's open the book and turn the page. Turn the page. I hope you all remember the shapes and the basic colors we are done with: blue, yellow and red. And the shapes what we did was circle, square and triangle. Okay, so we did 3 shapes and 3 colors. Now all of you recognize those very well, and I'm really happy for that. Okay, so let's do a recap of the shapes. Done. So first of all, you all have to open this page number 14. 1, 4, 14. Okay. What you have to do it over here. Here are primary shapes and colors, real life examples. What is this? This is a square. This is square. And which image is this? This is a gift. This is a gift. Which image is it? This is a gift. Okay. Then what's this? This is circle. This is circle. And in real life you can see the boy is putting the beads in the thread. Okay, the boy is putting the beads into the thread. Then this is yacht. Okay, so you have to trace this triangle. Then it's rectangle. Which shape is this? This is a rectangle. Have the children trace and color the shapes in any color of their choice. Have the children make a necklace with wooden beads. You have to trace all these shapes and you have to color the shapes with any color you like. Okay, you have to fill all the 4 shapes: circle, square, triangle and rectangle. Okay, so you have to trace these shapes and you have to color it. Fine, you have to color all these shapes. Play a game. So what you have to do, you have to trace all the shapes and then you have to color it. Later on, have the children make a necklace from the wooden beads. Like in this image, you can see the child is making a necklace from the wooden beads. So if it is available at your home, some of the small beads or something the child can put in a thread. So please try so that they can learn how to make a necklace. Basically, when they will insert the beads in a thread, their fine motor grip will be enhanced. So we request, if possible, please use the beads so that the child will make a necklace of beads by putting it in a thread. Okay. Then play a game in which each child takes turn to name the shapes in the classroom or at home. At home you can use any object. You can show at the bedtime as well. Okay, what is the shape of the pillow? What is the shape of your mug? You can ask them a lot of questions by putting different objects in their room or in the front of them, and you can ask questions. Okay baby, tell me which shape is this? They'll let you know, so that you will come to know कि real life में they are able to recognize the shapes or not. So this is our basic concern. We don't want कि वो सिर्फ book में recognize करें, this is rectangle, this is square, this is circle. They should recognize and correlate the objects in real life as well. So this page is to be done today. They have to listen to the new rhyme. Then they have to do letter I. I, insect. Okay. So this is all about today. We will meet tomorrow. Try to learn the concepts and please don't force your child for anything. Okay. Bye little ones. Take care. We will meet tomorrow.